Evaluating the performance of MPPT and FPPT approach in standalone solar PV systems under variable conditions. Abstract. The main objective of this project is to systematically analyze and compare the effectiveness of maximum power point tracking and fixed power point tracking approaches in standalone solar photovoltaic systems. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this paper, the block diagram illustrates that the solar panel operates under varying irradiance levels. To ensure the system generates maximum power, the fixed power point tracking method is employed to supply the loads with consistent power. When switching to the maximum power point tracking method, various factors such as the impact of sampling times, the influence of the duty cycle, and the effect of switching scenarios need to be considered. These cases are analyzed under different variable conditions to optimize the performance of the system. In the block diagram, this project was implemented and tested by using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.